Hi everyone, my name is Matt, and welcome to another PicoCTF walkthrough. I had to switch out my microphone because I was having issues. I figured out the issues, and so now I don't need to switch out, but I already did. So if my audio sounds a little different in this video, that's because I switched out my microphone. The next one in the list after we did Python wrangling is wave the flag, but some of these are getting a little bit, they're a little bit easy, especially Python wrangling was really easy. Mod 26 was incredibly easy. So let's look ahead and see what else we can do, because we might want to jump ahead. I'll come back to these and figure these out as well. But for right now, let's see what else we have. Let's go into 2 and let's see if we can get one that's a little bit more challenging. Crackme.py, ground mission, tunnel, easy peasy. ARM assembly 0, cookies, Faltor, let's warm up. Vector. So I have not done these. I've never done any of these. I went through a different line when I was working with these before on my other account. So I haven't done any of these here. I haven't done ARM assembly. All right, cookies. Let's see what's cookies is. Let's see what's going on with cookies. Who doesn't love cookies? Try to figure out the best one. Okay, so no hints. That's cool. So cookies, we're going to be working with cookies. That doesn't sound too complicated. Let's go to the site here and let's see what they have for us. Okay, it says welcome to my cookie search page. So see how much I like different kinds of cookies, and then they have snickerdoodles right here. I typed in snickerdoodles. Okay, so it says I love snickerdoodles. Okay, so we have typed in a cookie that they like, apparently. Okay, so let's get out of this. Okay, so it's cookies. So we want to look at cookies. So I think we should go to for Firefox. Okay, cookie editor. I don't know. This isn't the first one. I don't like the first one. The first one always is. It's super trendy. Let's bypass that. Okay, let's add it to Firefox, and we'll add this add-on, and we'll take a look at some cookies. I'm not going to write a review. Sorry. Okay, so let's look at what we have. We have our cookie editor right here, and we have a cookie here for this CTF right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. How do you look at it? Thanks. Oh, there we go. So we have the name of nothing. We have this. It has a value of 0, and our value is probably where we want to where we want to focus. So let's. Okay, so it has a value of 0, name. It doesn't really give us a whole lot of information. So let's go back home and let's see if we can come up with another cookie, I guess. Okay, so let's try chocolate chip, I guess. Chocolate chip. Okay. Okay, we got another one. So we tried chocolate chip. Let's go back into the cookie editor. Let's see. Oh, here's an edit button. Okay, and the value changed to 1. Okay, so let's do this. Let's change this value. So we're going to change it to 2, and then we're going to save the changes, and we're going to come back over here, and then we're going to hit reverse. Okay, so now look, it changed to oatmeal cookies. Okay. 3. And let's save it. Ginger snaps. Okay, so we've got a couple of them in here. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I think is what he said the password was. Okay, shortbread cookies. And we're going to continue on like this to 5. And there's a lot of cookies. Peanut butter cookies. All right, so far it's just been listing out cookies, and I don't know how far this goes. So let's jump ahead to 10. and 10. 105. I am curious if 105 works. If 105 works, oh, I don't think I saved it. Biscotti. Okay, so that was 10. 15. How far does this go? Print cookies. Is that a real thing? Is this real life? All right, 16. There's a lot of cookies. Okay, well, maybe this isn't where we needed to go. I would have thought by now that I would have found some. I was hoping that this was going to give us a flag. Let's see, 17 is the next one. Wafer cookies, no. Okay, so maybe there isn't a flag. We'll try that 105, and oh, there we go. Okay, so we were on the right track. I was worried that this wasn't going to get us where we wanted to go. I was starting to lose all hope. All right, let's take it back over to here and let's put it in. Let's see if this actually gives it to us. All right, there we go. All right, so that one was worth 40 points. I had a feeling that it was going to be changing the value, especially since the value is simple. Like it just said a 0 and then a 1, and then it was working as we were doing it. So this was kind of simple, very simplistic of editing a cookie. Later, when you get into more complex things, but for this, learning how to view and edit cookies, I think that was fairly valuable. Okay, so I guess that's it. Cookies, PicoCTF. We made it happen. So I guess that's it. It was not as easy as the other one was, but we'll call it good. All right, I'll see you in the next video.